everyone, so for today's video I will be teaching you how to calculate the gyro error using the given gyro course and the given true course. So gyro error calculation. Okay, so for example, we have our gyro course, which is 330 degrees, and the gyro error is unknown, and we have our given true course, which is 332 degrees. So how can we compute our gyro error? So first thing to do is we should identify if gyro course is greater or less than true course. So if gyro course is greater than true course, so which means gyro course is best, which means our gyro error will be best. And then if our gyro course is less than our true course, which means our gyro error is least, which means the direction will be east. Okay, so as you can see, the gyro course is less than our true course, which means this rule is applicable in this situation. So our direction will be east. Okay, since in calculating the compass error, the compass course, true course, the magnetic course, the deviation, the true course, we will be using CDMVT. So this time we will erase compass course. Instead of compass course, this will be gyro course. So the rules regarding CDMVT is compass course to true course, which means subtract westerly and add easterly. And when we are calculating from true course to compass course, the rule will be add westerly and subtract easterly. So we will remove compass course. Instead, we will be using gyro course. Since we already have our direction for our gyro error, which is east, we will identify, so from gyro course to true course, what should be the value of our gyro error in order for us to get our true course, which is 332 degrees. So gyro course to true course, which means subtract westerly and add easterly. So since we already have our direction, which is east, what should be added to gyro course in order for us to get the 332 degrees true course? Okay, so we should add, since this is east, we should add 2 degrees. Okay, so if you want to check if the answer is correct, you can also use true course to gyro compass, which means add westerly and subtract easterly. So what should be the value of gyro error in order for us to get the 330 degrees gyro course? So true course to gyro course, which means subtract easterly. How much should be subtracted to true course in order for us to get the gyro course, which is 330 degrees? So 332 minus 2, since true course to gyro course east is subtract, 332 minus 2 is 330. So that is how to calculate the gyro error using the gyro course and the true course. So very easy. Okay, so this time we will be solving a problem. So the situation will be your vessel's heading is 330 degrees per gyro compass and 345 degrees per ship's compass with a 2 degrees east gyro error. If there is a variation of 13 degrees west, what is the deviation on this heading? So in this problem, this involves the gyro course, the compass course, the gyro error, and the variation. So we will find the deviation using the gyro course, compass course, and the variation. So let's put the given courses and errors. So C, D, M, V, and T. So the compass course, deviation, magnetic course, variation, and the true course. So we have our given compass course, which is 345 degrees, and we have our given gyro error, which is 2 degrees east, and we have our given gyro course, which is 330 degrees. And also we have our given variation, which is 13 degrees west. Okay, so how can we find our deviation using these given values? Okay, so the first thing to do is let us try to find the true course. Okay, let us try to find the true course. So as what I have said earlier, in order for us to find the true course, we may use the gyro course, the given gyro course, and the given gyro error. Okay, so let us find the true course. Okay, so gyro course to true course is subtract westerly and add easterly. So since this is east, we should add. So 330 plus 2 will be 332 degrees. So always remember that we cannot put directions to our true course, compass course, gyro course, and the magnetic course. We can only put directions to those errors or to the errors. Okay, so we already have our true course, which is 332 degrees. So we will put this here. So now, since we already have our true course, we can now find our magnetic course using the variation and the true course. So 332 degrees and 13 degrees west. So what should we do? Should we add or should we subtract? So since the rule is true course to compass course, add westerly and subtract easterly. Since this is west, we should add. So 332 plus 13 is 345 degrees. Okay, now we can now find the value of our deviation using the magnetic course and the compass course, since the angle between magnetic to compass is called deviation. So as you can see, the compass course and the magnetic course is the same, which means the value of our deviation will be 0 degrees. So we cannot put directions, because if the value is 0, we cannot put any direction, either west or east. You cannot put that one. How did we come up with a 0 deviation? So as you can see, the compass north and the magnetic north is the same. So which means if you will add 0 to 345, the magnetic north will be 345. And then if you will be subtracting 0 to 345, the magnetic north will be still 345 degrees. So if you will be computing the compass north using the deviation and magnetic, when you will add 0 to 345, the answer will still be 345. And then when we subtract So 345 minus 0, the compass north still will be 345. That's why our deviation is 0 degrees. So that's it. Very easy.